All right, let's get into it. You know, we use thousands of words every single day, but some of them are way more powerful than we give them credit for. Today, we're going to put one of those words right under the microscope. We are going to unpack the story and the truly surprising importance of the word doubt. I mean, of course you have, right? Who hasn't? That little flicker of uncertainty you get, that hesitation before you make a decision, that question mark that just pops into your head. That feeling, it's totally universal and it has a name. It's the human experience we're digging into today. So, how do we actually talk about this feeling? Well, English is pretty cool. It gives us a couple of ways. First up, we can treat it like a thing, a noun, something tangible that you can almost hold. Yeah, when we think of doubt as a noun, the definition is super straightforward. It's a question or an uncertainty you have about something. It's not some big, complicated idea, but it perfectly captures that state of mind we all know so well. Check out this example. His mind was full of doubts. See how that's phrased? It's like his mind is a container, and these little doubts are actual things, just filling it right up. He has doubts. He possesses them. That's doubt the noun in action. But here's where it gets interesting. This one little word is super flexible. It's not just something you have, it's also something you do. So let's flip it and look at doubt when it becomes an action. And boom! As a verb, doubt is all about action. It's the active process of questioning, of kind of holding back your full belief. It's not a passive feeling anymore. It's a mental move that you are making. So for instance, if you hear someone say, "I doubt she will call," they're not just describing a feeling. They're performing an action. The speaker is actively choosing not to buy into that promise 100%. They are doubting. It's a subtle shift, but it changes everything. So let's just boil it down. On one hand, doubt is a thing you can have, kind of like a collection of worries in your mind. But on the other hand, you can actively doubt something, which is a choice, an action you take. Same word, two totally different jobs. Now, like most really important words, doubt doesn't just hang out by itself. It's got this whole family tree of related words that help us express all these different shades of meaning, from being absolutely sure to being a complete skeptic. Yeah, check out this family. From that one root word, doubt, you get a doubter, which is your person doing the action. Or you can be in doubt, which is being in that state of uncertainty. And then, and this is kind of fun, you get words that flip the meaning on its head, like doubtless and undoubtedly, which actually mean you're certain. Okay, so it's a versatile word, we get it, but why are we spending all this time on it? Well, here's the kicker. Doubt isn't just calming, it's foundational. It is a pillar of the entire English language in a way that you can actually measure. All right, what do you think this number is? 850. Take a second, take a guess. It's not how many times we say doubt in a day. Nope. It's not how many related words it has. It's something much, much bigger than that. That number, 850, that's the whole secret. Because the word doubt is on the official basic English 850 list. And if you've never heard of that, well, let's break down what that actually means. The Basic English 850 is this specially chosen list of the absolute most essential words you need to communicate pretty much any general idea in English. Now, just stop and think about that. Out of the hundreds of thousands of words in the English language, the ability to express uncertainty, to doubt, was considered so critical, so fundamental, that it made the cut. It's a cornerstone of how we communicate. So, the power to question, to be uncertain, and to talk about that feeling is literally part of the basic Essential Toolkit for speaking English. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other simple, everyday words are we using that are carrying way more weight than we ever give them credit for?